Samsung's new foldable hinge might look nicer, but it probably won't have a longer lifespan. We have good reason to believe that Samsung will put a new kind of hinge in its next flagship foldable, and a South Korean trade publication has just supplied more confirmation. The Elec reports that Samsung has started reliability testing a new water drop style hinge for the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. The new hinge design would make the folded phone thinner and help reduce the appearance of a crease with the main screen unfolded. But according to this report, Samsung is testing the hinge to withstand 2 lakh folds like the last one, which falls short of longevity claims from recent competitors like the Honor Magic VS and Oppo Find N2, both rated to 4 lakh folds. The Elec's report does mention that the hinge would be tested to a maximum limit of 3 lakh folds, but 2 lakh folds seems to be the main bar that this design needs to clear. After folding 2 lakh times, which takes 4 to 5 days, the hinge needs to maintain at least 85% of its original strength. That test, in theory, represents about 5 years of daily use if you open the phone a little more than 100 times per day. The Magic VS and Find N2, on the other hand, would last for around 10 years, which is roughly an eternity in consumer electronics years. Samsung's new hinge design for Galaxy Z Fold 5 is known as a waterdrop hinge. Instead of folding the screen at a tight radius, the screen flexes inwards as the phone is closed. This provides multiple benefits, including a less noticeable crease on the display as well as no gap when the phone is folded. This new design also leads to a thinner phone, with this report claiming the Fold 5 will be 14mm or less in thickness, down from a maximum of 15.8mm on the Fold 4. That's roughly in line with another recent rumor. In fairness to Samsung, the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 boast IPX8 water resistance ratings. Neither the Find N2 nor Magic VS has an IP rating of any kind. If you drop your non-water resistant foldable phone in a puddle 2 years into ownership, it's not much comfort knowing that it would have kept folding for another 8 years. Still, we're hoping to see Samsung pushing the limits of its folding devices a little further this year. It's been basically running unopposed for Foldable of the Year the past couple of years in the US, where competition is scarce. With more candidates, hopefully, in the mix this year, it would be nice if Samsung felt a little more pressure to innovate. We'll just keep our fingers crossed for bigger cover screens and better cameras. So, what are your thoughts on Samsung's upcoming hinge? Will it be more reliable than any other in the market? Share your opinion below in the comments section, and if you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you for the next time. Peace out.